Good morning and welcome to the Bingham Buzz. I'm Joey.
And I am Jake. We are very excited to provide you with school events, activities, and fun features through the school year.
September 5th marked by the first day of school for students while we miss summer. We're excited to be back to see our friends and teachers.
Tuesday, September 10th was back to school night. Parents and family were invited into the classroom to meet the teachers and hear presentations about their child's class.
Bingham's computer lab was destructed over the summer and transformed into the STEAM lab.
I looked to this closer, sitting down for an interview with our new STEAM instructor, Mr. Michelle. Let's take a look.
Miss Michelle, can you tell us what STEAM stands for?
Sure. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math.
What makes the STEAM lab different from the computer labs?
So the STEAM labs are an entirely new room, and the computer labs had just rows of desktops in them, and it was kind of just a whole group setup. And now we're kind of doing rotations in here where we're doing some engineering and building at our Lego wall. We're using touchscreen Chromebooks in here. We have iPad Pros we're using for engineering apps and art apps and some math apps as well. And I'm going to be pulling some groups to do some STEAM activities back with me. So we're going to be doing some fun things like drones and robots and
Pick one lesson that you are most excited about. What would it be?
I think the mazes are going to be something that's really exciting because every grade's going to get to participate in it. So from kindergarten, second, and first, they're going to be working on the decorating and helping to put it together. And second and third grade are really going to be constructing and building it and designing the maze itself, which is going to be pretty cool.
That's cool.
Well, you may not know this, but I did teach at Bingham in second grade back in 2013. Only for a year, but I'm back now, and it's a totally different kind of feel. But I have to say my favorite part about being at Bingham is how welcoming all the students are to me all the time. Whether I'm opening the doors and having students greet me, or just being in the classroom and having them excited has been a real great part. I can tell you one student really filled my bucket when they walked into school. They said to me, I wish today was yesterday because they wanted to be in STEAM again, and that was really cool.
Thanks for your time, Mr. Michelle. I'm Macy. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Macy. Book exchange is kicked off in September. Students are able to borrow books from our very own library to enjoy both in the classroom and at home.
Book exchange is open Thursday and Friday mornings until 8:45 a.m. and remains open on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday afternoon starting at 2:45 p.m.
Safety Patrol is back in force this month, patrolling the halls and helping around the buildings.
That's right. Each safety will have his or her own position that they will be assigned
to throughout the buildings.
Adventure waits.
What do you mean?
It's the name of our school-wide theme this year.
There's a theme for every month. September learning is an adventure. October, outer space. November, camping. December, holidays around the world.
Trains and automobiles everywhere. Animals are everywhere. March, adventures in the wild of April. America, the beautiful. May, adventures in our community. June, same in the sea.
Sporting brag tags is all the rage. This school year, while we started out with an adventure, one we can earn many more from box tops. Class dojo, steam, and more.
Speaking of adventure, learning was an adventure in September. As students took part in an outdoor nature scavenger hunt, some even took out iPads to snap some pictures of their evidence. Let's take a look at how that went down.
We found some bugs by the hole over there.
I'm surprised I actually made a third grade teacher laugh.
I'm glad that I have the best partner, and he's a really good partner.
So we found everything together, and my partner was so much fun. It was so much fun that we could find everything we have. I like the scavenger hunt. It was really fun. Things. It was super fun. I love the scavenger hunt. Halloween is creeping up on us quick. I asked some spectacular students from Miss Mazin and Miss Ayusa's class, first grade class, about their favorite Halloween candy in a segment we call Students in the Hole. Let's check see what I found out. Hi, my name is Carlos with the Bingham. We are asking first graders and staff members what their favorite Halloween candy is. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Stacy. My favorite Halloween candy is Kit Kat.
My favorite Halloween candy is Snickers. My name is Jaden and I love Kit Kats.
My name is Karen and I'm in first grade. I like Skittles.
Hi, I'm a teacher here at Bingham. I'm Mrs. Greenwood. My favorite Halloween candy is Mounds. I can do Almond Joy, but Mounds are my favorite.
Hi, my name is Colton and my favorite candy is Sour Patch.
I like Twix candy bars.
My name is Francesca. I'm in first grade and my favorite Halloween candy is M&M's. Hi, my name is Mia and my favorite candy is Starburst.
I'm Mrs. Monaco. My favorite Halloween candy is Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
My name is Podkit. My favorite Halloween candy is Skittles. My name is Jarek and I'm in first grade. My favorite Halloween candy is Sour Patch Kids.
My favorite candy is a Hershey bar.
Some tasty candy choices for sure. I can't wait to collect some of my favorites on Halloween.
Every month we will be listening into some great authors from Bingham in a segment we call Writing Applauded. This month we have 2 second graders, Grayson and Marco from Miss Duncan Roach class. Let's listen in. Hi, my name is Grayson and I'm going to tell you about my favorite animal. My favorite animal is a dog because it's very, also they can be different colors. They have spots, also they like to snuggle. They are amazing. Dogs are cute. That's why I like dogs.
Hi, my name is Marco. I'm going to tell you about my favorite animal. My favorite animal is a cat. Cats are very snuggly and soft. They eat cat food and are playful. Cats have good-looking eyes. Cats are pretty.
Red Ribbon Week takes place in October and it is all about promoting awareness to resisting drugs.
Our school nurse, Miss Greenwood, is here to tell us a little more about the subject.
Hi, I'm the Bingham School nurse, Miss Greenwood, here to give you some information about Red Ribbon Week, which is happening this month. So Red Ribbon Week is the nation's oldest and largest drug prevention awareness campaign. Today, millions of people celebrate it. It started out as an honor for an agent who died in the line of duty and his friends wore a red ribbon in order to show their oppositions to drugs. Red Ribbon Week is celebrated every year on October 23rd through the 31st. So some ways we celebrate here at Bingham are we dress up, we read a pledge, and we talk about the dangers of drugs. So, Monday, October 21st, we celebrate It's Cool to Be Drug-Free Day, where we wear sunglasses. On the 22nd, we team up against drugs, so we wear sports jerseys or t-shirts. On the 23rd, we have Aren't You Glad You're Drug-Free, and we wear orange. On Thursday, October 24th, we sock it to drugs, so we wear crazy socks. And on the 25th, we celebrate a drug-free life, so we wear red.
Let's move in our segment, Dancer of the Month. This month, Ben from first grade is showing off his moves. Aslan is in the field to tell us more. Hi, I'm Aslan from Bingham's Dancer of the Month. This called Take It Away, Ben.
Clap along if
begin meeting this month. The following are the dates for the clubs in the month of October. Journalism Club, Wednesday, October 30th, Miss Venatura's Group B, 3 to 4 p.m. Art Factories, Thursday, October 3rd, 3 to 4 p.m.
Bucket Filler Club, Wednesday, October 2nd, 9th, and 23rd, and 30th in the art room. Mindfulness Mornings is Wednesday, October 16th, and Green Team is Thursday, October 17th.
Technology Club, Wednesday, October 9th and 21, 3 and 4. Safety Patrol, Monday, October 7th.
Science Club is Wednesday, October 16th and 30th, 3 to 4 p.m. to 2nd grade only. The Battle of the Books is Wednesday, October 23rd. Well, that does it for this episode of the Bingham Buzz. Catch us next month for a whole new episode.
From all